Good morning, folks. Mark here at the Fan Cave. It is 2:45 in the morning, April 15th, 2017. What I have here is a NuTone Proline 1 56-inch industrial ceiling fan. I actually removed two of these from a gas station. I had to subsequently paint them because they were in, the paint had oxidized quite a bit from all the fuel that had been, that had leached into it over the last, 30 years. But they painted it up, back, appliance white, so it's, they're pretty neat fans. I love these. So anyway, I hitched it up to a solid state control. And let's take it for a test spin. Start off on high. Not quite as fast as the gold line, but a respectable speed. Definitely move a ton of air. Okay, on high it's 6 miles per hour. Didn't think to test the gold line, but it was probably twice that. Turn it down low. And spin down. And folks, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching. Please do click like on this and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave, and feel free to check out my Facebook page of the same name. Thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck. We're going to need it.